Bueno, estoy aquí con mi pollo y estoy aquí para enseñarte, para usar tu lengua. En este video me voy a enseñarte para usar tu lengua y no como así. So, I have found that the quickest way to do this is to move through the vowel sounds. So, I tried at first to use like perro, perro, pero y perro. That did not work for me. So I moved throughout the vowel sounds. I used, it clicked with a. So ar, ar, ar. We're not pushing like Barcelona. It's up. Ar, r. So ar, er, or, ur, ir. So really move through those vowel sounds. Really move through a, e, I, o, u. And we're pushing air and we're flicking the top of the roof of our mouth. Ar, instead of ar, 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 ar. You get the point. It's going to come with practice. You need to practice it. Do it on the bus, do it on the train, do it on a walk, do it in front of your kids. Do it in front of your dog. Just practice, it'll come. I promise it'll come. Not everyone is born with this talent. I wasn't. Pero estoy aquí y me voy a comer mi pollo ahora. So, hasta la próxima.